The Org Details tab contains contact information in relation to your program, communication preferences, and details about your program. You are seeing what the screen will look like when you select the Org Details tab. You will notice that you can edit this page if your information is changed. Just remember to click the Update button at the bottom of the screen and to report your changes to licensing, as they will not receive your updates through the system. Your program's contact information will include your email address. Make sure you select an email address that will be maintained regularly, as you will receive emails from the site and the site administrators. First name, last name, and phone number of the person who will be responsible for your program on the site. You will also notice the Change Password link. If you choose to change your password, remember, initially your password is assigned to you by the system when you register your program. You will select this link and be able to create your own password. The password needs to contain at least 6 characters. You will also see a Manage Organization Profile Users link. When this link is selected, you will have the ability to attach current employees to the organization ID, which will give them administrative access to your program. For example, this would allow a director and an assistant director of a child care center to be able to log in and edit program information. If your program makes the decision to add multiple owners, the program would then be attached to the individual's ID number. Be cautious when making the decision to add multiple people to have administrative access to your program. You are again seeing the option to subscribe or unsubscribe to periodic communications from the Early Childhood Project. You are also given this option when you registered your program. The organization details is populated from licensing and registration and should contain your program's name, when your program profile was created, and what type your organization is. Remember from the previous status video? And whether or not your program is a training sponsor organization. If it is, the box will be checked like the one shown in the example. Your program's physical address will show here as well as the mailing address and phone number. If changes were made, make sure you select the Update button. The Org Details tab is much like the Status tab in that it solely provides information about your program. However, you do have the ability to change your password, add administrative users, and edit contact information.